I think that the reason you should go here is because we have like the most goated teachers ever. And like I really personally like as a sixth grade teacher, I love Mr. Nielsen. He's so chill. He's so funny.
Teachers at Boltz are really nice and supportive and understanding.
Yeah, I like all the teachers here. They're super supportive.
I came to Boltz from another middle school, and I like it here because the deans make me feel like I'm somebody.
Okay, we're here to talk about why Boltz is like the best. Okay, you go first.
They're like, you have tons of fun days, like crazy hat day.
I like the people at Boltz because when I came in the middle of the year, random people wanted to talk to me, and that's what I like about Boltz.
And there's very fun classes, like the electives are very fun. The teachers are very nice.
At Boltz, you can do anything.
One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right.